guys, it's me again, Jack Patubo of Eclations, and I welcome you to another episode on my channel. It's actually 7 a.m. Saturday morning here. My hubby and a very cute baby are still asleep. And I am already on my woke up like this. Look, I haven't even put a lipstick on, but I'm taking this video because I am so excited to show you this. It's actually a planner kit. It's planner kit number 1 I bought from Vida Prints. And what's special to me about this is I actually have something inside. So I got the honor of collaborating with Sis Marife to make one of the items that's inside this planner kit, and I'm excited to show you what's inside later. She's actually releasing planner kit number 2 for orders today, so if you like this and you want another kit of your own, head on to La Vida Prints, head on to La Vida Prints in Facebook and join the group, and also make sure you order for yourself one. Okay? And if you are into die cutting machines, I am running a giveaway until my birthday week. And I'm giving away a Sizzix Sidekick. So you can use it to make for yourself smaller die cuts, tags, tabs, embellishments. It comes with free stamp, dies, and paper. So if you want to win that for yourself, head on to that video below and join. Okay, so without further ado, let me unbox this fresh from the mail in front of you. Thank you. Okay. Oh, I love the colors. Who doesn't like pink? Do you know that pink is my favorite color? If you don't, well, now you do. I love it when things come in bubble wraps because I get to play with the bubble wrap later. But not too much because, you know, they say it's bad for the ozone layer. I think popping the bubbles. Not really sure, haven't researched it yet. Let me know in the comments what you think. Very pretty. The color combination is very nice. Box pa lang, ang ganda na. Opening. There. So what's inside? Ta-da! From La Vida Prints. Again, head on over to Facebook. Thank you very much. Always find time to do the things that make you happy. Happy planning! Oh, pretty bow. The bow is in teal. Oh. This one's a planner girl accent. It's from Lilalu. Lilalu Arts and Crafts. Planner girl. I like this one. Let me make a confession. I actually got this kit because I wanted to have this. Haha. And this one's a really pretty notepad. It's from Pink Elephant. Okay. So this is actually nice. Let me show you how it looks like inside. Yeah, I'm gonna want to remove the bow. So this one's actually personalized. See? It has here eclations there. And look at the pages. Different pages. Oh, paper quality is also nice. See? So thank you so much. And now I have this one. Guess who this came from? Yep. This is actually my contribution on this kit. It's a planner swag. See? Wow. It's made up of felt, handmade, and it has a band that will fit most planner or notebook sizes. And this one is a dashboard. Oh, with free washi samples and a die cut from Vida Prince herself. Hi, Sis Marife! I don't want to open it yet. This one is sticker from Sadie and Me. There. Yeah, so let me go back to this one and open it for you so you'll see what's inside. So I've mentioned earlier, this is a dashboard or a cardstock. You can use it to make planner dashboards, tabs, etc. Pretty washi samples. Thank you. And a sticker. Haha, this actually matches one of my enamel pins from Happy Scrappy. I might use them together. And then moving on, my happy mail is indeed here. This is indeed a happy mail. There again, it's from Sadie and Me. You can follow them on Instagram and Facebook. And I don't wanna ruin the wrapping or the stickers. I'll just put them up. Oh, gold foil. These are pretty. I have lipstick. This one, Dana might get it. She's fond of lipstick stuff. Pretty notebook. She uses it for her Barbies. Stickers, emoticons. Oh, these are foil stickers. I love foiled stuff. And pretty more stickers. Oh, more stickers from Stickers and Doodles. Oh, I love the packaging. I hope I don't destroy the heart. Pretty. Oh, cutie. Stickers. This is their calling card. See. And some reminder there. And more stickers. Pretty stickers. I need to hide this kit from Dana. I'm pretty sure she's gonna get one. If not all of the stuff that she'll see here. Thank you. So these are more stickers. So if you're into planning, decorative planning, creative planning, you'll really be able to use a lot of these stickers to decorate your planner pages. It's actually pretty inspiring when you get to see your notebooks or planners with a lot of pretty stuff. So this one's from Anna Marie Sereno. There. She's very pretty, functional, fashionable. Oh, I like the designs. I like this. I like this kit. It actually comes with a lot of variety. If you're into the cute stuff, you get cute stickers. If you're in the functional stuff or the fashionable or lady-like stuff, you get that one. This one is from Paper Dolls Company. There, sticker. And then, more foil stickers. You Are You. Magical Days, Bow Icons from You Are You Company. It's their calling card. There. Let me show what's inside. Oops. There. Oh, pretty. I'm so into pink and florals and bows. I really like this one. And the stickers are foiled. Whew. You know what? Sobrang sulit. And this one is my freebie. Just a few shakers. No, I'm actually one shaker with a few gems for you to just, shake if you want to distress a bit. Behind every successful woman is a tribe of other successful women who has her back. So thank you so much, Sis Marife, for collaborating with me on this one. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity and chance. And thank you all to the rest of the gorgeous ladies and guys, if any, who also contributed to making this planning kit and making our planning world altogether beautiful. Thank you so much, guys. Again, head on to the Vida Prince on Facebook. Join the group, get the Planet Kit number 2, and also head on to one of my videos below and join my birthday giveaway. Thank you! Good morning! To God be the glory. Have a happy Saturday. Bye!